Hi everyone, welcome to another video by Scalar where we are going to discuss and differentiate between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today's discussion is going to be very interesting as we will discuss the career path of both areas and how they are different and how you can excel in any career regardless of which one you pick. When building a career in data science, it must get really intimidating to judge which road will assure you success. Are you a person having thoughts like what is the difference between AI and ML? Or simply someone thinking about which career option to go for and how to pursue a particular path? Don't worry, we are here to guide you through it all. In this particular session, we will first learn about AI and how it is different from ML, the different roadmaps we need to follow, and the scope in the both fields. We will also cover salary and job outlooks for the two. We acknowledge that making a career choice is a lifetime decision, and thus we try to impart most knowledge from this video that we can. But before we get started, please take some time out and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our end. So without wasting more time, let's get right into it. Curious what makes machine learning different from AI? In this digital era of self-driving cars and intelligent robots, AI and ML have created more hypes than ever. They are continuously empowering new technologies to improve systems like medical diagnosis and other important areas. But what is making the two different? In simple words, machine learning is a small part of AI. So machine learning can be AI, but not all AI can be machine learning. AI is the biggest, all-inclusive factor containing a smaller subset like machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. AI provides the machine feature that mimics human intelligence. On the other hand, machine learning practically implements human-like information processes. So one can say that without ML, AI can be a tricky pony even when performing a single superhuman task. Want an interesting example of AI? Do you remember how AI showed the power of technology only by defeating champions at games like chess in the early days? Today, after multiple advancements, AI can now employ face, speech and picture recognition, including translation. In fact, nowadays, AI has incorporated more human-like components like Alexa and Siri to connect to human emotion and interpret tones. However, when talking about machine learning, it is how Alexa and Siri can acquire their diverse functionalities. With the help of machine learning, AI can perform more than a single task to interpret data into patterns and make predictions like recommendation in song apps, as well as movies and videos on Netflix and YouTube. Now let's get into more details about AI and ML. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a comprehensive phrase that describes the process and software that impersonates human intelligence. It covers a vast range of studies including computer vision, machine learning, natural language processing, autonomous system, and robotics. With the use of AI, machine can identify patterns, solve problems, and provide insights to businesses and humans. According to top evangelists, it is quite difficult to overstate the impact and reach of AI in the next decade. It is a dynamic field that can be directly compared to the rate of transformation of electricity from the late 1800s till now. Remember, AI's impact will be even greater than the world has ever seen. Artificial intelligence covers the computational aspect of the term. Also, since we do not define machine reasoning outside the concept of human behavior and thinking, we can say AI and human intelligence are directly linked. Now let's talk about what is machine learning. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a part of AI. In other words, where AI is overall the definition of being smart, ML is from where a machine is extracting data, learning about things that would be difficult for a human. Machine learning has the capability to go beyond human intelligence. It is primarily used for big data in a short period using algorithms to be a better process. For example, a manufacturing plant collects information from the machine and sensors present on its network in unit to go far beyond human normally can process. The system then accesses patterns and identifies anomalies that indicates the problem human can address. Here are a few points to help you differentiate between AI and machine learning in terms of skills required. Now that you know that both are two different concepts, you must work on your skill sets as required by the given field for a brighter career. Are you eager to know the skills that you can add to your resume? Because AI is a term that encompasses various aspects of smart technologies, the skill set required is more theoretical than technical. On the contrary, aspiring candidates looking forward to machine learning as their career must have a high level of technical expertise. Skills required for AI. Students pursuing career in AI must have a strong hold on data science, algorithm and techniques for proper analysis, robotics, machine learning and how to draw conclusion, Java programming, data mining, programming design, problem solving, ethical standards in developing AI system. Skills required in machine learning. Students pursuing machine learning must have a strong hold in physics, neural network architectures, applied mathematics, natural language processing, algorithms, data modeling and evaluation, probability and statistics, data modeling and evaluation. When discussing career paths, the decision becomes even clearer when you know the job role you have to play in the field. If you want to know about the responsibilities you will be interested with, stay with us. We are going to state some career opportunities you can opt in artificial intelligence field. AI job opportunities have been on an upswing for the past decade. If you think you have a driven mind and are fond of transforming and improving the existing system, you are the best fit for an AI job. The good news is that as the world is advancing, the scope for AI related job is increasing more than ever. However, to understand whether you want to proceed in this career path or not, let us discuss some job roles, shall we? AI developer. The key responsibility of AI developer are to carry statistical analysis, test, design and develop machine learning programs. In addition, the professional is also entrusted with implementing a well-performing algorithm, deep learning system and training ML system containing a perfect data set. Programming skills required for this are Python, Java and Scala. Frameworks required are scikit-learn, Apache Hadoop, Azure, Spark MLib, Amazon Machine Learning, Apache Signa, H2O, ML Studio. Next up, data scientist. A data scientist finds valuable data sources and streams to work with data engineers to automate data collection processes. In addition, they carry huge data analysis to recognize patterns and trends to build predictive models and stats. This in turn helps the company to propose a solution, build a strategy and create a comprehensive ML system using visualization techniques and tools. Programming skills required are R, Scala, SQL, Python, SSAS, SAS. Framework required are Apache Hadoop, Azure, Spark MLib. Next role we have is data science lead. The job role of data science team lead is to provide direction and manage resources. The position of a data science lead requires high level of knowledge in the field of machine learning architectures, big data systems, data science technique, machine learning architectures and interpersonal skills. It is task of analytical manager to set priorities for analytics and data science team to elaborate on finding of the senior management. Programming tools required are Tableau, SQL, Excel, Python, R and Power BI. Soft skills required are strong management and interpersonal skills. Next up, we have research scientist. Suppose you are looking for pursuing a career as a research scientist. In that case, you are expected to have mastery in multiple AI disciplines like computational statistics, mathematics, deep learning and machine learning. Similar to the case of data scientist, a research scientist too is expected to hold an advanced or doctoral level of degree in computer science. Programming skills required are R, Python, Scala, SSAS, SAS. Frameworks required are Hadoop, Apache Signa, Azure, ML Studio. Career opportunities you can opt in machine learning field. Machine learning has been one of the most popular career paths since its boom recently. In fact, It was even ranked as the best job to have in the year 2019 according to some research. It is mainly because of the work significantly reduces human effort and improves the machine's performance by enabling them to learn things by themselves. The job roles you can choose for yourself including machine learning engineering, NPL scientist, business intelligence developer, data scientist and human-centered machine learning designers. Let's begin with machine learning engineer. As the name suggests, the machine learning engineer is interested with running machines, learning experiments using programming skills like Java, Python, Scala and others. Moreover, when recruiting, the company usually looks at how well the candidate is accustomed to the data modeling, programming, statistics, probability, system design and machine learning. Machine learning professionals also have to analyze data to develop effective algorithms that run autonomously without or with minimum human intervention. Programming languages required are Python, Scala, Java, C++ and R. Skills required are data modeling, system designs, software architecture, data structures, ML algorithms. NPL scientists. Not many have heard of NPL scientists. You may not have too. So let us clear the concept to you. NPL stands for Natural Language Processing, which involves enabling the machine to understand human language. In other words, the machine will be able to talk to human in their own language. It is just how Alexa talks to you. So, the primary job of NPL scientists is to create a machine that contains patterns of speech and can translate spoken words into different languages. Thus, this position requires syntax, grammar and spelling fluency of at least one language apart from machine learning. As a result, it helps in imparting the same skill to the machine. Applications, Duolingo and Grammarly. Skills required are basic level ML skills, syntax, grammar and spelling fluency in one or more languages. Next up, we have business intelligence developer. A business intelligence developer is entrusted with machine learning and data analytics to analyze, collect and interpret large chunk of data. As a result, come up with actionable insights used to make business decisions by company executives. To be clear, they use data to make a business decision better. The company identifies a professional to be an efficient business intelligence developer when they hold knowledge of multidimensional and relational databases. Also, the candidates must be well versed in Python, SQL, Scala, Perl, etc. In addition, if you have knowledge of Power BI, that would be cherry on the top. Programming languages required are Python, Scala, SQL, Perl. Moving on to data scientist. Did you know that according to Harvard Business article, a data scientist is acknowledged as the sexiest job of the 21st century? A data scientist makes use of an advanced analytical tools inclusive of predictive modeling and machine learning. As a result, able to accommodate, analyze and interpret large chunk of data and build productive actionable insights. Further, businesses use it to make an important decision regarding operation. So apart from having a machine learning skills, a data scientist must also hold knowledge of statistical research techniques, data mining and other big platforms. Moreover, if you are trying for the job role, programming languages you need to know: Python, Perl, SQL, Scala, R, SAS. Framework required are Pig, Hive, Hadoop, Flume and Spark. Moving on to human-centered machine learning designer. The human-centered machine learning designer job involves working on machine learning algorithms centered around the human world. It is because of this job role you get the most appropriate movie suggestion on Netflix. This type of designer develops various softwares that can perform human-centered tasks based on patterns and processings. It allows the machine to know the user's preferences without the help of cumbersome program for every scenario. Programming skills required are ML concepts, algorithms, statistics and mathematics. Now that you are clear on the job role of both career paths, you must be clear about your decision. However, do not forget the job scope and salary structure aspect of the field. If interested, stay connected. Know how much salary you can expect from the field and their scope. AI engineering has the most lucrative job path you can find in the world. Fortunately, it has been growing at a great pace. In fact, the average entry level salary you can expect to get in India is around 8 lakhs. Moreover, as you proceed to the higher levels, the salary can extend up to 50 lakhs. ML engineering jobs, on the other hand, does not stay behind. There are also abundant job opportunities available in this particular field. The average salary that you can expect in India amounts to 6 lakhs, whereas it can go up to even 70 lakhs per year. To sum it up, till now we have discussed different tasks artificial intelligence and machine learning aspects can deal with. We now know that machine learning is only a subset of AI which works on macro level. Next, we pointed out the skill sets every candidate should necessarily gain according to their field of interest. Additionally, we also learned about job profile and salary we can expect from two paths. Scalar has launched an exclusive data science program which was created based on insights from 100 data scientists working at 50 top tech companies. The program helps you tackle the toughest problems in data science and machine learning. Experience live classes from data scientists, mentorship from top industry experts, and work hands-on with 40 plus critical tech tools to solve for real-world business problems. Know more about the program by clicking on the link in the description below. We hope you find yourself with all the necessary details that you would need to make an important career choice with this video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video. Also motivate us to come up with more such videos for you by subscribing to our channel and sharing it with others. Thank you so much for sticking by. See you next time. Bye.